In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Quotex to MetaTrader 5. So first you want to open up MetaTrader 5, and then when you go to File, top left, and you click on Open an Account, as you can see, if you type in Quotex, and then you find your company over here, it will basically pop something up, which is going to be the Quotex Hong Kong Limited. And then if you go to the website, this isn't really their official website, which you're likely looking for. Now, if you click on next over here, after this will load up, you'll see that you'll be able to basically sign in with your login and password. But of course, if you use your login and password, there we go, same as the Quotex, you really can't do anything because it's simply not going to sign you in and nothing is going to work. And this is because, well, when you're trying to basically use MetaTrader 5 for Quotex, yes, it can be utilized by traders who are using Quotex. However, there's one caveat, okay? So MetaTrader is very good because it has a lot of different tools. However, you can't directly integrate it with Quotex on the platform. So this thing, even though you may have seen it, is unfortunately not it, because Quotex is not supported with MetaTrader 5, so they cannot integrate. You cannot actually execute trades on Quotex directly via MetaTrader, okay? So that's what you can do, but MetaTrader 5 can still serve you as a very powerful third-party tool for basically everything, like market analysis, strategy development, and signal generation. So yeah, you'll have to just manually go between one and the other, but unfortunately there's no way as of right now to get them directly connected. Maybe in the future that will be possible. I'll make another video, but right now this is not possible. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.